Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Sarmila with my ID number student 202310331. I'm from Natural Science Education Department. Okay, now I would like to presentation my argumentative essay English curve for science entitled Extreme Weather in 2021 hit several regions of Indonesia.
Indonesia is a country that has very good subtropical climate. Indonesia consists of two rainy seasons and a dry season. Indonesia is located between two continents and two oceans, which has a regular system of change season from the rainy season to the dry season. However, it's possible that a good subtropical climate will not have a negative impact of Indonesia. Extreme weather can occur in Indonesia. Weather is the occurrence of change in the atmosphere within a certain period with various conditions, both in the air, sea, and land, as well the duration of the sun's rays on the air. Meanwhile, extreme weather is a condition of change in temperature, wind, and rainfall. Extreme weather in Indonesia will be different from other countries because extreme weather occurs based on the climate diversity of each country. Indonesia is a country that is prone to disasters such extreme weather to the extreme weather that can damage the fabric of life in various aspects and take lives. The main factor that triggers extreme weather is the period movement of monsoon wind from the continent of Asia to Australia. Indonesia is located on the equator, which is affected by the movement of the continent of Asia to Australia. Indonesia is located on the equator, which is affected by the movement of the winds. The factor of warm sea surface the temperatures in Indonesia, which cause volatile weather to collect into rain clouds to form as a crystal, causing humid temperatures in various parts of Indonesia. Almost all provinces in Indonesia have the potential for heavy rain accompanied by lightning and strong winds. High rainfall intensity can cause flash floods, landslide, flood, and other disasters. However, this disaster that often hits Indonesia every year. Therefore, the Indonesia state must prepare to face conditions to minimize the impact of disaster that will strike. Beginning of 2021, which is the hope, Indonesia will no longer be hit by disaster due to extreme weather. There have been flash floods and landslides that have hit several parts of Indonesia, namely South Kalimantan, Manado, and surrounding Java Island. Local people lost their home and source of food supply. In addition, disaster had an impact on delays in the running of the government, because in addition to focus on overcoming the COVID-19 pandemic, Indonesia also had to respond quickly to disasters that occur in some of these areas, such as distributing logistical assistance to the community. Flash floods that occur in several areas were caused by natural and non-natural factors, one of which was the intensity of rainfall in a few days and even almost a week, plus the reflection of the sun that rarely appeared, resulting in the water not being evaporated, so it was no longer accommodated. Rarely appeared, resulting in the water not being evaporated, so it was no longer accommodated by the land. Then this flood is also caused by land management and development management that continues to increase. Land that is getting narrower or smaller is vulnerable to causing potential flood disasters. From the data obtained by BMKG, high-intensity rain is almost evenly distributed throughout the South Kalimantan area. Theoretically, Kalimantan is indeed an area that is the relative safe from geological disasters. The island of Borneo is old, so many low-lying areas such as swim create the potential for inundation. Likewise, the flash floods that occur in a number of Java areas ahead of the celebration of the Imlek on February 12, 2021. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency has given warnings and appealed to the public regarding extreme weather in Falklands that will cause heavy rain and strong wind around 10 till 16 February 2021 in 26 provinces, thus include 5 provinces on the island of Java, namely Banten, West Java, Central Java, Yogyakarta, and East Java. This has caused many people to flee to seek safe place from flooding. Then the flash flood that occurred on the coast of the city of Manado, caused by the emergency of large wave on the coast of Manado, which result in the destruction of a number of locations and places for culinary snacks. Some of the culinary business were not open. Some of the culinary business were not open. The flood left a lot of carpet and residents immediately cleaned and repaired the location. In addition to flooding, the city of Manado was also hit by landslide. The flood and landslide caused hundreds of residents to flee to safe areas. Pulau at the beginning of 2021 for a better year than before, hope to be protected and avoid from all disasters, launch activities and a better life. One of them is the effect of improving the economy, comfort and welfare because Indonesia has just emerged in the recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused a decline in aspect of life. This has a great influence on Indonesia in running the government because of the decline in the economic aspect. A lot of state money was used to overcome COVID-19. Immediately save yourself to evacuate to another area. It's equally well known the extreme weather occurs by natural and non-natural factors. The government and the community collaborate to better manage the land structure.